The final trimester is here, and your baby is preparing for the biggest journey of their life. At 29 weeks, your baby begins gaining fat rapidly, helping with temperature regulation after birth. Their brain is developing incredibly fast, creating connections that support learning and sensory development. By week 30, your baby is practicing important reflexes, sucking, blinking, and even hiccuping. Their eyes can track light and dark, and their ears are picking up sounds more clearly. Your voice or music may even get a response with a little kick. By week 32, the lungs are practicing breathing movements by moving small amounts of amniotic fluid. This helps prepare the respiratory muscles for that first breath. By week 34, the lungs are almost fully developed. Then, as your baby grows, their movements begin to change. At 37 weeks, your baby is considered full term and continues gaining weight and strengthening their immune system. By 38 to 40 weeks, your baby is around 3 to 4 kilograms and about 50 centimeters long, preparing for birth. And you may notice more fatigue, shortness of breath, frequent urination, and stronger Braxton Hicks contractions. The final weeks can feel long, but your baby is getting closer to meeting you every single day. Follow for more pregnancy and baby development.